Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, فليقاتل في سبيل الله الذين يشرون الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة ومن يقاتل في سبيل الله فيقتل أو يغلب فسوف نؤتيه أجرا عظيما. Translation: So let them fight in the way of Allah, those who sell their worldly lives for the life of hereafter, and whoever fight in the way of Allah, then they are killed or gain victory, we shall grant them a great reward. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the attitude of the hypocrites, that the hypocrites are very unhappy if Muslims win and Muslims get the worldly benefit or the booty of war, and they wish that they would have been with the Muslims. And on the other hand, if the Muslims are defeated or they lose their lives, the hypocrites are happy that they were not with the Muslims and they did not lose anything and they did not lose their life. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that those who are true believers, that those who are seeking the pleasure of Allah, and those who prefer the life after death over the worldly life, fight in the path of Allah, and their target is not to achieve the worldly benefit. Their target is to get the pleasure of Allah. And with this target in their mind, in their hearts, when they fight in the path of Allah, if they lose, they are the winner. And if they are winner, they are the winner in everyone's eyes. Meaning that if they lose, if they die in the path of Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised them the great reward. And if they win, they are called the winners even by the enemies of Islam, and they are winner in the world and they are winner in the hereafter, because they will get the great reward in the hereafter. Meaning that those who sincerely strive in the path of Allah are winner in every sense, even if they lose their life or if they win the worldly wars and worldly battles, they are the winners in everyone's eyes. Also, they will get the great reward in the hereafter as promised by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which indeed is the real success. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.